Hi everyone, today's tutorial is gonna be as easy as it gets, no more easy. This is a bunny egg shaped, how you can see. It's very cute and I think it's great decor for Easter. So if you like it, what you see, let's start. For this you're gonna need any leftovers what you have and you don't know what to do with that, so that's a great opportunity to use them. I decided this one to do a blended colors, so I'm gonna do a pink with green, pink with green. Yeah. So for that we're gonna need hook number 4, leftovers what you have, 2 colors. I have green and pink a bit. You're gonna need a scissor and a needle to sew everything together. And pretty much that's it. And some filler, just to any hollow fiber or what you're using, any cotton, to fill this one up. Okay, let's begin. We're taking the pink yarn and we're doing a chain of 2 loops. And from the second loop from the hook, I don't like it, it's too loose, so when I'm doing these loops I'm just preferring to do it more tight because to not have any holes. That's a good suggestion for you because you're not doing this magic ring and we're doing just loops, so try the first one as tight as you can to not have loose ends, loose loop. We've done two loops. Now second loop from the chain, we're doing 6 stitches. Okay, I finished the 6 stitches. Now we're doing 1 row, 6 stitches, no changes. So we're doing just 6 stitches. The next row is gonna be increases. We're doing 6 increases. Don't forget to flip it over this to be on the good side. It's gonna be a bit hard, but still. And we're doing 6 increases. Then you're going to have 12 stitches. 1. Okay guys, so once we've done this 7 rows, we're folding into like that, and we need to crochet this both sides together. So you're taking the first stitch, the second stitch, and you're doing 1, and like that 6 times. Then we're cutting yarn, we're cutting the yarn, and that's it. The last one we're doing a slip knot, so you have 2 loops on the hook, and straight this first one you're pulling through the other one, and 1 more, and that's it. Cutting the yarn, and the ear is ready. Now we're gonna do the rest. You should have 2, by the way, just in case. 2 pieces like that. Okay guys, so now we're doing the rest of the egg. We're doing the egg. We're doing again 2 loops in a chain. Try to tie this one up, the first one. So we're doing 2. And in the first stitch, first loop, we're doing 6 stitches. Okay, I finished the 6 stitches. Now we're doing 6 increases. So 2 stitches in 1 loop, 6 times. Then we're going to have 12 stitches. Once we did this 6 increases, we're doing 1 row, 12 stitches without any changes. So we're finishing these 6 increases and then 1 row without changes. Okay guys, the next row is 1 stitch, 1 increase 6 times, and you're going to have 18 stitches. After that we're doing 18 stitches, one row without any changes. So gonna repeat one more time. Now we're doing one stitch, one increase 6 times, and you're going to have 18 stitches. And after that we're doing one row, 18 stitches. Sorry. Okay guys, next row we're doing 2 stitches, increase 6 times, and you're going to have 24 stitches. We're doing like that, 1, 2, and increase, and like that 5 more times. Once you finish this two stitches increase, you have to do one more row without any changes, 24 stitches. Okay guys, so the next row is going to be, after we finish this one row with no changes, 24 stitches, sorry, we're doing 3 stitches, increase 6 times, and you're going to have 30 stitches. The last stitch from increase, the last one, don't finish till then. We're gonna change the yarn. I'm going to show you there. So for now you're doing 3 stitches, increase 6 times. Okay guys, so I'm at the last stitch, so we need to do the last one is increase. We're doing 1 stitch, and the second one we're not finishing, we're just leaving 2 loops like that on the hook, and we're taking the other one, the other yarn. In my case is pink, maybe you want to do another color, I don't know. So we're finishing this stitch with the pink one, just like that. Pull the ends tightly to not get loose. And now we have to do with this pink one, just like that. You take these ends and try to crochet them in to not be loose and ugly. So we'll crochet these both ends in. Cut this one off. Cutting this one off. And we're doing with pink one 5 rows, 30 stitches, no changes. So 5 rows. Okay guys, so I finished this 5 rows, 30 stitches. Next row is going to be decreases. So it's going, this one is 3 stitches, decrease 6 times. Decreases we're doing hidden, so we're taking the first half of the stitch, just like that, and from the second stitch we're taking another half, and we crochet them together, and like that 5 more times. Okay guys, I finished these 3 stitches decrease. Now we're gonna put the eyes and the nose, because later on it's gonna be harder, so we have to make it safe. So what we're doing, this is the back of our, where we start the rows. This is the back of our bunny. So here is the front. We have to count down 8 rows from the top, from here. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and between 8 and 9 we're inserting the eyes. So basically here where is this color change, if it's going to be easier for you. So we're just putting one like that and 2 stitches between them. So you're doing 1, 2, and here somewhere you're putting the other one, just like that. Looks bizarre for now. I don't know why I choose this green one, but I thought that it's going to be nice. And we safely pin this one hard, and the second one the same, just like that. And the nose we're putting 1 row, 1 between this, leaving 1 row, and you're just putting here somewhere, just like that. Okay guys, this is what we have so far. looks not really for now, but it's going to come all together once we finished. So the next row we're doing 2 stitches decrease. So now basically we're doing decreases until we close this. Meanwhile, fill this this egg very tight with this hollow fiber or whatever you're using there. And we're doing like that, 2 stitches decrease 6 times. After that we're doing 1 stitch decrease again 6 times. Then we're doing 6 decreases. And once we have 6 stitches on the left, we're taking the needle and we're sewing them together. Just fill this one up, do not forget, fill this one up tight. Like to be, you know, just like that. Okay guys, I'm very sorry, but accidentally I deleted the video how to sew the ears. I'm gonna explain it though. You have to fold them in two, fold them like that, and just sewing on the top of the egg. I think it's pretty easy, so I'm not gonna redo it. It's gonna take me so much time, and I'm late to work almost, so I gotta go. But I promised that I will do this video to myself, so I'm gonna start it. Now they have to do its eyelashes. So basically what they're doing, we're inserting the needle under the nose, and we exiting right in the corner of the eye, as close as you can. If you cannot get any closer, try from here, but it's not important actually. So you're taking, if you are on the corner of the eyes, you're taking just 1 row up and you're sewing, and you're going in another corner here. You're going on this corner, and from here you're doing again the same. You're taking 1 row here, and you try to exit another side in the same hole where you're inserting, where you was first time. If I explain so bad, I think, but I will try better. And now what you have to do is take a little bit further, you can see, than here, and you're going again back from where you came. Something like that, back from where you came, and you just take a little bit wider, and you're going under the nose again. I'm just gonna, can take the needle and just fix it if you think it's too. So annoying. I gotta start again. Okay guys, this is what we have so far. So now we are under the nose again. Try as close as you can, and you're just inserting here, doing just 1 or 2 times like that. Yeah, and 1 more time maybe to be more visible, and you're exiting straight to the back. Don't pull too hard, otherwise the mouth is not gonna see. So, and we're hiding here. We can do a couple times like that yet. Just cut and hide this one inside. That way it's not gonna get loose. That's it. That's what we have so far. And here is my 3 cutie. I hope guys you enjoyed to crochet with me. If you have any suggestion, I know I'm not doing too good and I had a lot of mistakes, but I'm very sorry for that, and I'm trying my best to just get better. And if you enjoy, just leave a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.